Hey y'all, Robert here with William Ryan Homes. We're out here in Fitchburg at our Stoner Prairie location, and we got something fun planned for today, a tour of our Sheridan II model home. Now this is one of our most popular two-story plans, and it's got a ton of features. So while we're checking it out, I'm going to showcase some cool things that the Sheridan II offers, some cool perks of why building with William Ryan Homes is awesome, convenient, and fun. And then last but not least, at the end of the video, I got some cool tidbits on why our customers choose Stoner Prairie. Let's go check it out. All right. So when you enter the Sheridan II, you are greeted with tons of natural light with this stunning two-story foyer. Coming off the foyer, we have the beautiful flex room. Now this room, as you can tell from the name, has a wide variety of uses. We have it set up as more of a formal sitting room. And this is where it's fun to build with William Ryan Homes. You can play around with different options. So for example, in this space, they've done our side bay window, which brings in a ton of natural light. Moving over, we have our dining room. So with the Sheridan, you have a formal dining room, and this is where the personalization of William Ryan Homes is so cool. So you have this partition between the rooms that comes naturally open, but you can play around with barn doors, French doors with glass inserts, or you can totally wall off the spaces and make them separate. These are just some of the cool personalization options that you can do here in the Sheridan II. So coming off the dining room, we are approaching one of my favorite locations in the Sheridan II, and that is the kitchen. So the kitchen's actually one of the coolest spots to personalize just because of the amount of combinations possible. So here in the Sheridan II model, we're showcasing the Super Island with the chef's kitchen and beverage center. So when I say Super Island, I mean super. You can see all of this prep space that you're gonna get when that's added to your home. In addition, the chef's kitchen is gonna blow out your kitchen, give you the wall ovens, also a large 36-inch cooktop, gas, and a hard ducted 36-inch chimney hood. Approaching the sink, you have the beverage center and dishwasher. And as you can see already, we have done the beautiful morning room extension. This will completely blow out your kitchen, giving you tons of natural light, big windows, and a vaulted ceiling. It's a great space and a very popular option here on the Sheridan II. Moving into the family room, now this is really going to be where the main hangout sessions happen in your home. Cool thing about Stoner Prairie is that we actually include a direct vent gas fireplace. So just another feature to make this space warm, cozy, and inviting. Now on this Sheridan, they've done the study off of the family room. As you can see, it's a great space, whether you're looking for, answering some emails from home, whether you work from home and look for a standalone office, or if you just want a nice recessed space with some French doors so you can keep an eye on the kiddos, this is an awesome spot in the Sheridan II. Well, that's the first floor. I'll see you guys upstairs. All right, so we are on the second floor landing of the Sheridan II. Now remember at the beginning of the video when I mentioned I had a couple highlights? Well, here on the second story, I have an amazing one that I can't wait to share. As you guessed, there's some bedrooms up here along with some other cool spaces. Let's go check it out. Okay, so one of the biggest features and cool bonuses on the Sheridan II is just the amount of storage that is available. So here on the second floor landing, we've got a big walk-in closet behind me just for storage. And in addition to that, we have a nice linen closet on the other side of this hallway that I'll show you later. So coming off the landing, we have a sizable bedroom. Now this bedroom is going to be characterized by tons of natural light, and it's also got its own walk-in closet. As we come back out into the landing, we're going to see the shared central bath. Exploring a little further, we've got this second floor laundry, and also two bedrooms right behind me. And that linen closet that I mentioned is tucked right around the corner here. Now, the space that we've all been waiting for, the master sanctuary. Let's go check it out. All right, so we are here in the master. As you can see from the get-go, it is a big space. Like I mentioned, it's your sanctuary, and we really treat it as such. In addition, with William Ryan Homes, we got the personalization options too. So you can play around with additional walk-in closets, tray ceilings, barn doors, all that fun stuff. But really, the piece de resistance is gonna be the master bath. Here on this model, we've done the designer master bath, which is really one of our most popular options. Let me show you what that includes. Characterized by tons of space, lots of natural light, you're gonna get split vanities, big soaking tub, and a large tiled shower with a bench. The designer master bath is really where you're gonna unwind at the end of the day. And on the Sheridan II, all this and more could be yours. So, what do you think of the plan? I'll meet you guys downstairs with a couple little tidbits on why building here in Stoner Prairie is so popular. All right, so you've seen the Sheridan II in its entirety, and as you saw, it is a beautiful plan, and the layout really makes it one of our most popular for our customers. Now, if you remember from the beginning of the video, I mentioned I had a couple little tidbits about Stoner Prairie and why our customers love purchasing here. So I'd love to share those with you. First off, Stoner Prairie is in the Verona Area School District. This is a highly sought after school district, and it's one of the main reasons why our customers flock to Stoner Prairie to build their new home. In addition, Stoner Prairie is very convenient. Sitting only a few miles from the Beltline, our customers can get to the west side, east side, downtown, and even further south, really in a matter of minutes. Thirdly, Stoner Prairie is a really active subset of Madison. Around here in the Fitchburg area, there's a lot of walking trails, bike paths, hiking trails, and it's really an active community, which our customers love. But last but not least, Stoner Prairie, the land that we have here is truly outstanding. Our home sites are going to be minimum 10,000 square feet, so closing in on a quarter acre, and they're going to be fully sodded with landscaping included in that base price. So these are really some of those main reasons why our customers love building here, and yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. Feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk with you about how we can get started on your brand new William Ryan home. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You guys have a great day.